might be a little bit of refreeze tonight because you have the products down on the roads. That's of course going to melt it, but as it kind of moves away from the salt and that mixture that they use to melt the ice and the snow, it can refreeze. So be aware of that for tomorrow morning's drive. Not entirely smooth sailing. You won't have any snow falling, but there are going to be some icy spots and some snow spots. Give yourself about twice the amount of time that you usually do to get to your destination tomorrow. North wind 5 miles an hour. For the rest of your day, staying below 32 degrees, below freezing. A cloudy sky, mostly cloudy. We'll make it to about 30 between 2 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Cloud cover once again increasing after sunset ahead of Thursday's storm system. That'll be a doozy for a part of the country. I'll tell you that. 25 in Trenton, 26 in Chillicothe for a high, 30 in Marshall. Far southern parts of our viewing area, that would be Clinton, Butler, Paola, Ottawa. They have a chance of making it just above 32 degrees. They didn't really get in on the snow fair for today. They had freezing drizzle south of Interstate 70. Now this is tomorrow night and early Thursday morning. Developing storm system to our west. Right now it looks like the Kansas side and state line has the highest chance of seeing snowfall. This will be in the morning, so this event was the evening drive. Thursday, I have my attention on the morning commute for the potential of scattered snow showers and even some snow accumulation. Now this system isn't going to be that big of a deal for us in Kansas and Missouri, but if you have interest, say, in the Northeast or New England, this is going to be a big storm system for them. There could be a lot of snow by the end of this week. So we're not just covering everyone here. If you have friends and family up there, we try to keep our eyes on that as well. Friday, still below 32 degrees. We finally get above 32 by the weekend with a mostly sunny sky. So that's when we'll begin to actually melt the snow and the ice. But it's the morning still that we have to be aware that there's going to be some refreeze. Even if we get above 32 in the afternoon, it's going to kind of freeze again overnight. So sidewalks, untreated surfaces, parking lots, bridges, overpasses, those types of things. It just takes a little bit of patience, and it'll get you a long way with these type of events, especially the day after.